Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the third game of your Interlodge Mason Basketball League powered by the so-called Ballers. Our matchup for today is Angelina Boys against the Garden Grove Lodge. As we get ready for the official tip-off of this ball game, our referees for today, referee Marcus Reed and referee Vince Camper. As we start, Garden Grove Lodge starting with Mila Sumariñas, Ambagan, Torres, and Miso. While for Angelina Boys, Bagaw, Fronda, Santos, Lopez, and Ducusin. Who are the players to watch out here for both teams? Well, for Garden Grove Lodge, their leading scorer is J.M. Mangilip, and their second leading scorer is Miso. Together with Freyna, they have been on a 2-game winning streak so far. As for Angelina Boys, they are led by the Bacani brothers and Reyes, who is still on the bench as of the moment. But of course, at the post, their defensive players Fronda and Bagaw. Sluggish start for both teams, as we are still scoreless in the early goings of the first half. The Ducusin will be setting up the play for Fronda, and Fronda knocks it down as they draw first blood with that long distance bomb. Corner for Ambagan, too strong. Transition offense. Ducusin to Fronda with a one-legged one-hander. Lopez able to recover, trying to deflect his defender. Comes up short. Miso, give and go. Mila at the post. They swing it back to Torres, left wide open. It rattles out. A chance for Angelina Boys to increase the lead. Ducusin sees an opening and he will capitalize, making it a 5-point lead. And Bagaw, being their vocal leader, communicating with his teammates. Mila lets it fly. Too strong. Baseball pass. Miso is there. Miso attacking. They tap it to Ducusin. Ducusin, 2-on-1 situation. Santos goes for the layup. Bothered by Torres. On the run, Mila. Ambagan. Left side jumper. Pedal on the metal. Fronda. With that sky hook, reminds me of Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, no? For Fronda. 5 points for Fronda. As now they're up 7-0. Torres will pull the trigger. It cleans the rim. Baseball pass, Bagaw. Lopez against the double team. 2 defenders on him, trying to save it. And it will go to the other side. Garden Grove Lodge still scoreless for almost 3 minutes here. They go at the post to Mila against Bagaw. Pulls back. Sumariñas. And unable to complete the play. Ducusin. Unable to catch it. Mila challenging the defense. Santos standing his ground. Ducusin will wait for his teammates. Sees a gap through the hole. Tapped away by Ambagan. Ambagan protects the ball. Forwards it to Torres, and Torres finally makes their first basket, cutting the lead down to 5-7-2. Fronda launches front rim. Torres Breakaway. Finger roll. Torres able to keep it alive. Substitution. Reyes and Bote.
Get out! Get out!
Reyes checks in the ball game. Our official score is 7-2. Parungaw is in the ball game as well. Their court general for Team Angelina Boys, who has been leading the plays for them, also known as Kuyang Takashi. Stolen away. He sees the opening from the middle and he will go all the way, making it a 9-2 run. Drop pass, miscommunication. Stolen away by Reyes. And again, Parungaw. That is his favorite as he scores 11-2. Garden Grove Lodge calls their first timeout. We'll be right back after this break.
Roughly. 55, right? Healthy.
Ninong!
Tama.
Ninong!
Tingnan ko yan.
Import eh.
Back to the ballgame if you just tune in. Angelina Boys soaring to a 9-point lead behind their fast break transition offense led by Parungaw and Soriano. They go at the post. Torres converts with a difficult shot. And again, those fast break transition offense of Angelina Boys has been killing Garden Grove Lodge here. They still have no answers for those passes. And the leading scorer of GGL is here, JM Mangilit. But he comes up empty with that lefty jumper. Parungaw decides to slow things down here. Cross court. Short, way off the mark for Soriano. Counter attack, Freyna. Here comes the big three of Garden Grove Lodge. Freyna, Mangilit, and Mila. Together with their big man, Worshipful Moralida. Reverse from Mila. Now this is a tall lineup for Garden Grove Lodge, no? With a combination of Mila and Mark Moralida. A Worshipful Mark Moralida, no? At the post. Parungaw looking at a zone defense, sees no opening. Freyna pressuring him, applying the pressure at the corner. They go baseline, drop pass to Reyes, and Reyes with a jump hook. Mila taking it away. Mangilit. Signs of life here for Garden Grove Lodge as they have their big three in the ball game. Right side jumper. No shooter's bounce for Mangilit. Soriano steps on the gas. Reyes keeps it alive against Moralida. Falls away. And Reyes will make that difficult shot. What a move from Reyes. Torres fires away. Battle for loose ball. It will go to Soriano. Decides to wait for his teammates. and set up that half court. Parungaw strategizing using the screen from Bote. One-on-one. Mangilip against Parungaw. Both team leaders, but Mila able to catch it. Still offline for Mangilip. Moralida. New haircut for worshipful Mark Moralida, no? What a haircut. And wasn't able to control it for JM Mangilip. Substitution. Lopez in the ball game. Dumlao will also check in.
Wait. Mark, got a foul? Who? Got right here.
Parungaw. Baseline throw with the cut from Mila traveling. And a golden opportunity wasted there for Garden Grove Lodge with 10 minutes remaining here in the first half. Court General Parungaw able to escape the defense and gets the shooter's bounce. 17-4. And Bagaw, their playing coach, hits all board Mila with a fadeaway. No luck. So Marinas lefty jumper. Foul will be called against Bote. Bote, that's his number 11 foul. First personal foul. Mangilip goes to the line, shooting 2, I believe. And he misses. Well, this is quite surprising for Garden Grove Lodge as their leading scorer, Mangilip, still hasn't found his rhythm here in the first half. Yes, you need to deposit. Worshipful, you need to deposit the minerals and metals, remember? On the free throw line, Mangilip, finally, that's his first basket. 17-5, 12-point advantage of Angelina boys. Using the screen, no look pass, Dokusin, creating some space, and foul will be called against Mark Moralida. And he will go to the line, shooting his charities. The matchup between Angelina boys and Garden Grove Lodge.
Stop.
Substitution. That is Santos in the ballgame, right? Santos. Lopsided ballgame so far, 18-5. Angelina boys controlling this game and controlling the tempo. Mila finally converts with that spinning move. Tough shot. Well, we should always say that is a difficult shot from Mila, but he makes it look so easy. Elbow jumper. On the attack, Mila pushing the tempo. Mila. Moralida keeps it alive. Pull it back, Aki. Pull it back. Pull the table back. (18-9), 9-point game. Angelina boys protecting a 9-point lead. Able to slice the defense. Dokusin gets his own miss. Reyes showing us his footwork. He was able to escape the defense. Fronda. Substitution for Rab Dokusin. Baseline throw-in with 6 minutes and 30 remaining. Baseline, corner 3. Fronda fresh from the bench. Making it an 11-point game. Freyna also offline here. Well, credit the defense of Angelina Boys, no? They're not giving any comfort zone for Freyna, Mangilit, and Mila, no? And Parungaw converts that basket. And finally, Mila keeping his team afloat here. Fronda. Well, it has been a total team effort for Angelina Boys, as everyone has been contributing for them. Parungaw, Fronda, Reyes, and Dukusin. And finally, first field goal for Mangilit. Looking at a 12-point lead, 25-13. Reyes exploring his options. Fronda, top of the key. Moralida corrals the board. Freyna thought about it. And again, the signature move of Mila. Crossover. Look at the move from Reyes. Foul will be slapped against Freyna with 4 minutes and 30 remaining.
Ilan pa daw tayo?
Okay, one.
Thank you.
Baseline throw. Finds the cutting Santos. 25-13. Parungaw, trapped by the defense. Angelina Boys calls their first timeout. Back to the action. Angelina Boys up 25-13 against GGL, Garden Grove Lodge. They reset the play here. Reyes dribble drive to Fronda, and Fronda has been stepping up big time here for Angelina Boys, who has been surprisingly coming up with a lot of points. Well, he has been leading this team since the first half, no? Mangilit with the J. Parungaw unable to catch it. Crossover, Valdez taken away by Parungaw, and Parungaw will deliver the goods. Play continues. Taken away. Alikna. He has no numbers, decides to take it anyway. Three-on-one situation. Throws a wide shot. Santos. And they will complete the play. And it's a whopping 16-point lead, 31-15 for Angelina Boys. Mangilit.
Right here.
Foul on Fronda.
He just sat down at the end. Ball.
7-7, tap.
Come on.
Brand new players.
69.
7-7.
I got you.
Mangilit on the line with 1 minute and 18, 16-point advantage by Garden Grove Lodge.
Last name, sir. Last name, sir. Last name? Aluning.
Trump.
Ha? Aluning. Biden yata eh.
.48 seconds left. Mangilit has been struggling here in this ball game. Well, his team badly needs him at this point. Being pressured by the defense, Saison, Valdez, Mangilit, hits front rim. Foul on Aluning. And second chance points for Angelina Boys, 31-15. And that's the end of the first half. 16-point advantage, Angelina Boys. We'll be right back after the first half.
You got a towel or something over here? Extra. You got a towel or something here?
I don't think we have it. Ilang minutes mo?
Welcome to the second half game between Angelina Boys and Garden Grove Lodge. This is your Inter-Lodge Mason Basketball League powered by the so-called Ballers. Angelina Boys up by 16 against Garden Grove. What has happened in the first half? Well, it has been a total team effort for Angelina Boys led by Fronda, Bote, Soriano, and their playing coach, Bagaw, who has been very vocal in this ball game, leading his team. Of course, Their court general, Parungao, who has also been contributing for those transition offense. And finally, Freyna knocks down. Is that a three-point shot? Three-point shot, yes. So 31-18. Some signs of life here for Garden Grove. Well, they need to step up here, especially for Freyna and Mila and Mangilit, who has been missing in action so far. Well, what should the Garden Grove Lodge do here? Well, they need to make some stops, no? Especially on the defensive end. It's easily said than done, but they gotta convert as well. Create some space for their teammates. Find the best possible shot. But the onslaught continues here. Fronda has been on a mission, on a roll here.
How many passes from that? 69.
Freyna protecting that ball. Mila. Sumariñas, no opening. They move that ball around. That's his favorite shot for Mila. On the attack is Bote. Steps back. Soriano. No fear on that layup. He throws a wild shot there for Soriano. Our referees for today, referee Vince Camper and referee Marcus Reed, who is our officials. Freyna, they tap it back. Battle for the loose ball, physicality on the floor, and Freyna converts. They're bleeding for points here, as every shot for Garden Grove Lodge has been difficult to say the least. Front rim for Freyna. They use the clock on their side, 32-20. Half court set. Soriano navigating his options. That was anticipated by Sumariñas, but they were able to recover it. Fronda hits board. And Kenneth Bote, or the Kusin rather, makes the basket. Torres. That's Bote, right? 34-22. The Kusin. Cross court. Goes hard to the basket. And the crowd loving it for Soriano. Freyna, 36. They're already 36. 36. 36 na sila. Crossover to Kusin. Wide open. Bote nails it down. One-sided ball game. 38-22, 16-point lead. And the crowd loving it. All cheers from the crowd.
Ano yun? Tempo to, 22.
38-22. 22. Pumasok sa line eh. The starters are back for Angelina Boys. Parungao, Reyes, Lopez, Bagaw, Soriano. For And for Garden Grove Lodge, Valdez, Torres, Mila, Freyna, Mangili. Counter attack for Garden Grove Lodge, Torres, point blank, Mila keeping it alive, second chance points, cleans the board, converts 24-38. This has been a long day for Garden Grove Lodge as they're struggling as of the moment. They got numbers, 3-on-1 situation. Valdez, not this time. Reyes taps it. And Santos, hearing the cheers and the jeers from the crowd. Baseline Bagaw. It will remain with Angelina Boys. Santos, unable to convert, but he will be rewarded with free throws. On the line shooting is Santos. Mila, Freyna, bank shot for Freyna. They need a lot of those if they want to make a comeback here. It's just a 12-point lead, however, they gotta make some stops. Garden Grove Lodge not giving up on this ball game. Parungaw, deflecting and escaping the defense. Fast break offense, Mangilin, stops and pops. They keep it alive. Mangilin from the corner. Dribble drive. Quick passing. Mila spins and turns. And Reyes controlling it. Baseball pass to Bagaw and Bagaw. Hard foul by Torres. On the second shot, Lopez will check in the ball game together with Dukusin. Aki, tawag ka Aki. 12 minutes and 24. And he misses both. Mangilid. Momentum slowly shifting on the side of Garden Grove. Torres to Mila. Mila. Alley-oop. Cutting the lead down to 10, 28-38. Now Garden Grove forcing some turnovers and making some stops here. Mila tightly guarding Reyes. Reyes, can he escape? Double team comes. Mila taking it away. And Mila open court. Freyna making it a single-digit ball game. 38-30. Garden Grove Lodge. Garden Grove Lodge making a run. 38-30. With 11 minutes and 39 seconds. We have a ball game. We'll be right back.
When I shoot my shot, then she ready like I'm Shaq. See the shots that I took. Wet like I'm booked. Wet like I'm Nike. I be singing body surfing clocks till I'm busy. Season over who I am. Back in high school, I used to
Back to the action. If you have just tuned in, Garden Grove Lodge making a run, cutting down a huge 16-point lead down to 8, 38-30. Angelina Boys protecting an 8-point lead. The question is, can they make some stops? Can they convert? Parungao. Fronda trapped. And possession arrow points to Garden Grove Lodge. Garden Grove Lodge knocking on the door here. As a question say, who comes here? It's Garden Grove Lodge. Who will win this ball game with 10 minutes and 57? Freyna Torres with the cut from Manginit, and Manginit making it a 6-point game. Coming from behind, climbing that mountain, and pressure is on the side of Angelina Boys to Kusin. And he stops the bleeding, 40-32. The crowd edging on their seats. Mangilit at the middle. This is an exciting ball game. So far, double team. Mila, spin move, and Mila with the shooter's bounce. 40-34. 6-point game. What a ball game. Dokusin uses the half-court set. Serving the floor is Parungao against Torres. One-on-one, dancing around his opponent. And Ambagan almost completing the steal, but active hands. Good defense from GGL. Trying to escape. Parungao pulls back. Looking for options. Decides to take it anyway. Front rim. Mila. Unable to control it. Gives it to Fronda. Fronda with the running jump hook. Substitution, Reyes in the ball game, adding some firepower here for Angelina Boys. A chance for Garden Grove Lodge to make it a 4-point game. One-on-one. Parungao against Mangilit. Freyna launches from long distance. Mila keeping it alive. Back to Mangilit. Mangilit short. And on the run. Fast break offense. Open court Parungao. Woo, what a ball game. Intense action. This is what it's all about. Foul will be called against Freyna. Freyna foul. Freyna will be called with the first, second personal foul on Freyna. Second personal on Freyna. Free throws for Parungao. Well, a lucky break for Angelina Boys. No? They have been on a drought here on the second half. And Garden Grove Lodge, led by the big three, Mangilit, Mila, and Freyna. Back to the action. Torres, Freyna, elbow jumper from Freyna, and he converts. No look pass, baseline, Mila. And ball will go to the other side. Garden Grove Lodge. Just down by 6, 36-42. Angelina Boys having some struggles here. Baseball pass, Parungao. He will deliver the goods for Parungao, making it an 8-point game again. Creating some cushion, Mila. And it will stay. Garden Grove Lodge will need to talk things over here. We'll be right back after this timeout. Back to the action. If you have just tuned in, Garden Grove Lodge trying to make a run here against the surging Angelina boys, led by Parungao, Fronda, and Reyes. While for Garden Grove Lodge, they have Mangilit, Mila, and Freyna. Freyna pulls the trigger. They forward the pass to Parungao, and Parungao will convert. 46 to 36, 10-point lead again, back to a double-digit ball game. Reyes pulls down the board, and Reyes, transition offense, squeezes himself at the middle, and he will be rewarded with a free throw. Using his speed and quickness, foul will be called against Dumlao. Reyes, 2 free throws. Makes the first. And Reyes makes the basket, giving them a 12-point lead. Freyna, stolen away. Now, a breakaway. And Dokusin, cold-blooded 3 from the top of the key, giving them a 51 to 36 advantage. Garden Grove Lodge struggling at the moment. Well, the question is, do they still have gas left in their tanks to make a comeback? Mangilit on the line. Remember, this is running time. So, Garden Grove Lodge, time is not on their side. And Angelina boys roaring back after that late run by Garden Grove. It's a jam-packed Sunday here in Carson City. Mangilit with a 3-point attempt. Bagao. Angelina boys, can they make it? Unfortunately, they missed the shot. Unable to increase the lead. Alley play, cut away short. 2-on-1 situation. Parungao. Freyna, long bomb. Reyes, 4 minutes remaining here. Dokusin being harassed. Cross-court Bagao looking for the cutter. Dokusin with the spin move. And Mila taking it away. Mila with a continuation, however, he won't convert. Official score is 51 to 37. Mila shooting 2. Parungao will be called for the foul. Next week we have a fellowship, Kuya Derek, no? We have a fellowship, no? For all the teams, if you're watching this replay on YouTube, we have a fellowship for all the teams, and are the families invited as well, right? The families are invited as well. If you have friends, families, invite them to our fellowship, no? It's one way of showing brotherhood here in our league. So, I think it's a potluck, no, for every team. Potluck. Mangilit fires away, hits front rim. Lines up. Reyes. Second chance points for them. No look pass, corner. Too strong. Mila on the run. Freyna. Finally, Freyna stops the bleeding, making it a 10-point lead. Timeout. Timeout, Garden Grove Lodge.
Can't do that. They got the ball already. Can't call the timeout. Did they call it before? No. Before the inbound.
So some clarifications here. I think the timeout was called before the inbound, so let's wait for the referee's final cue. It's a 10-point lead by Angelina Boys with less than 2 minutes remaining. Angelina Boys up by 10, 51-41 with 2 minutes. The question is, can Garden Grove Lodge make a comeback? The pressure is on. Let's see what will happen. Rivera and Miso is in the ball game, and Alikna as well, together with Aluni. Reyes throws it. Corner. No opening. Man-to-man defense. Miso. Offline for him. Parungaw. Pesky defense from Garden Grove Lodge. Putting the final touches. Alikna, and the crowd loving it. "38 seconds left. Fronda. "20 seconds left. 51-43. And Rivera unable to make it. And that's the end of the ball game. Angelina Boys 51-43. Garden Grove Lodge making a gallant stand until the last minute. And that's the end of the third game. We'll be right back for the fourth and final game